Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how glass is made, from sand to finished product. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos like this.
The raw materials are blended together in exact proportions. This carefully balanced mixture is essential for producing strong, transparent glass. Advanced control systems continuously monitor the process to maintain perfect consistency. The mixed batch is fed into a high-temperature furnace where it is heated to extreme levels. Inside the furnace, the materials melt and transform into glowing molten glass. Impurities are removed, and the glass becomes smooth, clear, and ready to be shaped. The molten glass is then molded into its final shape, whether bottles, containers, or flat glass sheets. As the glass cools, it gains strength and durability. Automated systems ensure precision, speed, and uniformity throughout the production line. Before leaving the factory, every glass product is carefully inspected for clarity, thickness, and strength. Only products that meet strict quality standards are approved for delivery and prepared for distribution worldwide.
And that's how glass is made, trained from sand to crystal clear perfection.